Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, where I hopefully have calmed down a little bit. I'm drinking a beer. It's fine. It's fine. Our last episode, I was having serious trouble because, oh, are we being engaged? Oh, we probably are. Fleet combat. You're gonna actually destroy a spaceport? That's amazing if you can do that. Anyway, in our last episode, the little thing that said station under attack, and then I could not find a way to actually find where the station was under attack, and I still don't know why I'm losing money. I went from positive like 60 to negative 60 for reasons I don't understand, but that's okay. I'm just going to... Okay. I'm just gonna play. I will try to comment more on what I'm doing, and not on the thing that is bugging me really bad. So, oh, we lost 6 Corvettes. That's a thing. So that may be actually why our energy credit deficit is going down. So that's it's one way to make it work, right? Okay, cool. So let's let time go forward.
Hostile fleet detected. Hostile fleet detected. Construction complete.
And
Special project complete.
Felt like less than a month. The Serene Republic welcomes the Mykonos. Welcome to the family. Humans. Welcome to the family. Wow. Okay. We are going to be settling... Wow. We're going to be settling our irradiated little weirdos on Tomb Worlds, and they look just like humans. Okay. Cool. Except, here's the thing, I don't know what humans look like in my little, I'm an alien, or, we're Venetian, we don't actually know what humans look like, so it's fine. Anyway, you know what, the Serene Republic of Venice welcomes them, and we do, we really do, and I mean that.
Station under attack. Station under attack.
Lose my
Station
transport fleet.
under attack.
I hope not.
Station under attack.
This is the weirdest combat. Minerals -5, that's fine.
Station under attack. Enemy troops landing. Hostile fleet detected.
Where's that? Invasion. Oh, there, yeah, Paros. That figures. They're gonna actually give us a run for our money until we go and just deal with them. And deal with them we will. Believe you me.
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet detected. Hostile fleet detected.
Okay. Lost a spaceport. That's cool. Did not lose a spaceport. That's fine. Inactive buildings. Where are you? Oh, that's fine. Hey, let's upgrade some power plants up on my Lepanto. Let's do that. What do you say to that? How is this, by the way? Food? Interesting. Okay. I'll upgrade the mineral silo, it's fine. We need to use all these minerals anyway. We are just swimming in minerals and losing money, so... There you go. Asia. What the... Oh, defense armies are losing. Okay, that's what it is. Yeah, they're gonna die. That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry, Paros. You're gonna be a nice big system, or a nice big sector by the time we get done with you. Okay, let's
Hostile fleet detected.
finish this. While the Serene Republic of Venice provides a solid structure upon which to model their internal social order, whatever. How do we want the Mykonos, that is, the humans, to be? We want them to be... Individualists. That's...
Hostile fleet detected. Planet lost to invasion.
Yep.
Situation log updated.
Okay. You guys do your thing. You
Hostile fleet detected.
bomb the crap out of this place.
Station under attack.
Okay. Schiaparelli, where are you? Oh yeah, you're actually gonna do that. That's good. I'll come over here and do that. Okay. Okay, what's going on? We lost the invasion. Yeah, we know. What's going on here? What are you doing? Are you bombing Murano? You're bombing Murano. You absolute assholes. You could actually invade it too. Right, okay. Well, transport fleet, it won't be long. We will play with you. Okay. Second fleet, come on over. Actually, it's gonna be a couple months before we actually get to use you.
Station under attack.
I should just go invade, Castile and just knock them out of the war. That'd be awesome. Okay, how's the bombardment going?
Station under attack.
It's happening. It's kind of slow.
Construction complete.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I kind of got myself into this weird mess, but that's okay. We are... Oh, that's what it is. Oh, we are capped on influence. Okay. Hey, guess who gets to have a new edict? Actually, a lot of new edicts. Yeah, okay. You guys, be re-educated, be happy, and produce more... Oh, there we go. Produce more money. How's that sound? Venezia, are you producing money? Because you should be. And if not, here, have some more. Okay, no. Now, Funkan, you're actually producing a reasonable amount of money. In fact, you can produce more. There you go. I have an idea, Ben. Why don't you upgrade the power first, and then the science? If you're, you know, out of, if you're out of money, why don't you go for money first? Infrastructure projects. There you go. Capacity overload. And, okay, we're only losing 2 gold per month. Yes, it's gold. Specifically, actually, it's not gold so much as it's, science ship. You have a science ship here, by the way. We're actually going to go over here and research project and research project. We'll see what we get. It may be, what are they called? They may be just troop transports, which doesn't actually get you much, so. We are going to give them, you know what, let's give these guys militarist ethic. Maybe they
Hostile fleet detected.
fight off this
Station
fleet.
under attack. Enemy troops landing. Evading hostile fleet.
Yep, Murano. Murano's gonna get invaded. That's okay. We'll actually get that back before too long. Okay.
Station under attack.
Oh, you. Schiaparelli, come on. Don't be a weenie. Ooh, that's actually a big deal. Why did I split my troops? We're gonna have us a good old time.
Station under attack.
Beat
Planet
these guys up.
lost to invasion.
Okay, hey, guess what? Okay, the thousands of scientists and advisors we sent to Hajpok Haksizab have finally completed the arduous task of bringing the local civilization up to an early space age level of technology. Under their new unified government, the aliens now style themselves as the Jorokaku polity, and they have agreed to become our vassals. Our observation post above their homeworld has been dismantled as per the conditions of our treaty with them. Now, watch this. Where are they? They're right there. Okay. This is a great day. Cool. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Kastan. Hajpok Haksizab. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. You are evangelizing zealots, and you like us for reasons I don't understand. How about if you have an embassy? Everything about them is pathetic. Here, offer trade deal. First things first, migration access. Secondly, I'll just give you a research agreement. We don't need to go mutual on that. Well, actually, you will. Okay, cool. Let's go 30 years on this. Which is funny, because you're not going to exist in 30 years. Just so you know. And, yeah, let's do it. Your people will come to our place. Our people will go to your place. It'll be great. Now, somebody remind me why I split my troops over here? Yeah. You know what? Bugger out. Or bug out. We're bugging out. Come on up. Okay. Trade deal accepted. Okay, good. What's going on here? Nope, not gonna go after that. Oh, wait, did you? Oh, wow, you lost a planet. Oh, golly. Okay. Yeah, let's get my troops out of here. Okay. We have to deal with this minus 14 over here. And we gotta do it pretty quick. And this is actually the fight that I want to win the most, so come on up. Come on around. Okay. Get the hell out. Just get the hell out. Okay. I love that Sylvester Contarini is totally involved in like a lot of interesting stuff. He's actually in 2 different
Hostile
fleets.
fleet engaged. Station under attack.
Okay. You know what? Let's just go make their life miserable. Yeah, you're gonna
fleet detected.
You're gonna kill a thing
under
here.
Attack. Hostile fleet detected. Situation log updated.
Okay, and
Station under attack.
Why don't you destroy this wormhole generator first, and then go to Zorf. Specifically, go there, where you're going to destroy things, get war score, and make their life a living hell. We're gonna make their life a living hell. That sounds like a thing to do.
Evading hostile fleet.
Who? Serios. Okay, that's fine.
Station under attack. Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected. Station under attack.
Yeah, don't ever split your fleets, kids.
Hostile fleet engaged.
It's just a
Debris
bad idea.
analyzed. Construction ship under attack. Hostile fleet detected.
Schiaparelli, come with me. Oh, don't go there. Debris analyzed, useless. Okay. When was I? Oh, okay. I know what I was doing. That's Venice. Yeah, don't do that. Sorry. Just come over here and assist research. That was kind of useless. Okay, good. We're gonna blow up that thing.
Station under attack.
What's going on here? Oh, it's a transport fleet. Meh. Oh, hey, the Glugadai have now joined our empire. And they are currently our vassals. Let's take a look at them. They are disloyal. Fanatical purifiers. Holy crap. Watch this. They free pop. Yeah, they will not do anything. Yeah, they're disloyal. They hate us. They hate us forever. Yeah, fanatical purifiers minus 1,000. Okay, we're not even gonna bother establishing an embassy. We are just going to wait for the 10 years and immediately annex them. Just immediately. What's funny is they're weak. Yeah, well, guess what, guys? Although they're natural physicists and resilient, that's not bad. It's not bad. Wait, hang on. What? Oh, they're spiritual. Okay. I'm seeing something wrong. Okay, cool. Okay. We have this really big stick. Why don't we use the big stick? What do you guys say to using the big stick?
Station under attack.
Did we lose another spaceport? Yes, we did. No idea when that happened. Lost a spaceport there. Lost a spaceport there. Subject enters war. Bunch of stuff I don't know. Okay.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Here we go. This is what I love.
Situation log updated.
Oh, look!
Hostile fleet
You had
detected.
a station there?
log
I'm sorry.
updated.
That's not gonna work for me.
Situation log updated. Station under attack.
Now, where is another science ship? Probably the one at Venezia. I think it's the one that we should get. Oh, wow. No, the Hansa, they're running around in French territory. Interesting. Yeah, come here. Oh no, they're leaving. There's no reason to go there because they're leaving, and we don't have troops around to do anything about it. Speaking of, where is our transport fleet and what is it going to do? Okay, it's going to come over there. So before too long, we do want to actually go over there and guard them. So, big fleet, watch what these guys do first. They're going to move. Second mycelium carriers, go there, actually. Hit them. Where are they going?
Construction complete.
Oh.
Hostile fleet detected.
What's that? No. Show up there. Yeah, go there. Do it. Finish them. Finish them.
Hostile fleet
There we go.
engaged.
Watch this, guys. Watch this. Oh, yeah. And more of them jumped in. This is actually really good. Because our allies are going to join in too. Yep, see? Done.
Station under attack. Station under attack.
And if you're wondering what station under attack means, it means, I don't know. We'll find out eventually.
Hostile fleet detected. Hostile fleet detected.
So they keep joining in, even though they don't have the numbers to actually, like, do the job. Okay. Venet. Science ship Cassini, come down here. Now it's time. Come down here. Go to there. And then go to there. And then, you know what? Go to there. And I want you to come... Where was that fight? Come. Research that. And research this. But, yeah, keep the evasive fleet stance. We're gonna need you to do that because we may lose you, actually. Ooh, hey, you guys want some more score? I want some more score. Kill it. And then I want you to... Oh, kill that. That's what I want done. I want... Yeah, those two stations gone. And then... I want that taken care of. Yeah. Let's just wreck their infrastructure. Meanwhile, their navy's gonna pull back because
Station
they're
under
now
attack.
under attack.
Research complete.
That's the thing. Byzantine Republic. Trade deal. What trade deal was this? Offer trade deal. Actually, real quick, how are you doing? Byzantines, how are you doing? This is funny. Their fleet power is equivalent, their naval capacity is equivalent, and their technology is equivalent, but they're inferior. Okay. Offer trade deal. Research? Is that what it was? It wasn't research. Migration access? Yeah, that's the stuff. Here, have some minerals. Just have a couple minerals. There you go. There you go. Confirm. You love me and you know it. Okay, advanced railguns. Oh yeah, does this mean... Actually, I bet you I know what this means. Yeah, we are no longer the president. Okay. Iroquois, it's up to you. I want to research more of Stormfire. I think I can research these. Or, find them in... What's it called? Debris. So, I'm gonna go for improved strikecraft, even though we don't really even use them. But we could. We could. That's fine.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah, what's this?
Situation log updated.
Done.
Situation log updated. Station under
Nice.
attack.
Oh, so good. I love it. You guys accept a trade offer. Excellent. Okay. Blew that up. Finally some good news, right? Go away. You too. You... Okay, so we actually lost a couple corvettes and a battleship. What? We lost a battleship? Speaking of, where is Schiaparelli? Actually, okay, that's fine. Schiaparelli, come here. And come there. Come there. And go from there. That's fine. Cassini, yeah, you're busy. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's continue.
Hostile
got stuff to
fleet
do.
detected. Station under attack.
Nah, that's not bother with that. It's a fleet, but...
Hostile fleet engaged.
Third fleet. Where are you at? Oh, yeah. Third fleet. Why don't you... kill that. Thank you. That would be very nice. Are you... Yeah, you are. Okay. Ooh. Now, kill that. Someone's rivaled someone. Okay.
Hostile fleet
And
engaged. Station under attack.
And done. Very cool. Second star flock. Where's that going? You disappeared. Okay, fine. So, go kill this. That won't take long. And then kill that. All of a sudden, we're not in negative war score
Station
anymore.
under attack.
Imagine that.
Station under attack. Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated. Construction complete. Station under attack.
Oh, okay. No, that's not gonna do it. Okay. There's no spaceport there. That's too bad. That's too bad. Well, what say we go and make someone's life a little bit miserable? Right. There's a mining station, research station. I don't care about those. Come down to Neshmet. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. It's better yet, I don't know where they're... Oh no, let's go here. Specifically, kill this.
Station under attack.
We're gonna destroy their infrastructure. Make it DED dead.
Research complete.
Okay, transport fleet. How you doing? Yeah, come on over. And research complete. Interesting. Naval capacity increased. Not that it matters, because we're at cap, so doesn't matter. I don't really want repeatables. And ghost vapor. It was quick. It is quick. Alternatively, how long is this? 55 months? Nah. Angos Vapor it is. Let's go for a year. Oh, and we're... too many minerals. You know what? I know what to do with that. I know what to do about minerals. Here, have some minerals. Zara Sector, you're just a real... You're a gem. You just keep doing that. Great White North, you don't even know what to do with your minerals anymore. They've basically built everything out. They're just like, I don't know. What do you want me to do? But Florida, you're still growing. You're great. I love you, Florida. You're so good. Here, just, you know what? Keep going. Just have more. Just have more. Wish I could just write in a number. Here, give him 6,000 minerals. Okay. Thank you. And then, you know what? I kind of want to keep going. Let's wait until this thing's destroyed. Actually, and then, you know what? Let's go over here. Let's have just a couple more little... couple more little piles of destruction, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Hostile fleet engaged.
And gone. Didn't even see it. Didn't even see it.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Gone.
Evading hostile fleet.
Gone. Okay. Who's evading hostile fleet? Construction ship. Where are you at? Oh yeah, you are a moron. Okay. And at that, you know what? Second fleet, we gotta figure out what to do with them next, but we're gonna figure out what to do with them next time. Until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. Actually, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna kill that. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. And you know what? I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time. It's going better. We're killing something in just one big pile. It's fine. It's fine. We can do this. I do look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, folks.